the other side. That's the beach over there. That's where all the rocks. There's one here. Water actually comes in and you can have a, well, not really a swim, but like a spa. That's what it's like. Oh, now you can see the ocean. Where the ocean is. Oh, I can feel that heat hitting the back of my leg. I have no idea how hot it is right now, guys. It's Yallingup, not Yallingup. Yallingup. Yeah, it would be pretty hard, I reckon, here. Fishing wouldn't be any good in here. Fishing line would end up on rocks. The waves is humongous. Oh my god! Have a look at these ones over here. That one on that side. Have a look at that one on that side. The tall one. That. That is huge. Accommodation is. There must be a toilet over there. Yeah, look. Oh, yes, there's a toilet there. Glen is already there. That's where the sunset is. Today was just such a good timing to get here. We were able to have a swim at the spa in Yallingup. Spa, natural spa. Oh wow! That is so nice.
Infinity pool in there and infinity pool.
Yeah. There's another natural spa. You can get there tomorrow. I'm not sure if it gets enough water. Oops. Wow, look at that. How would you like to be sitting on that water? And all of a sudden that big wave comes along and washes you away. Oh.
See that one there? No water coming to that one yet.
No, not yet, but obviously the
Big tide in the
big tide, yeah. Yeah, that one over there. Okay, going back to what I said, to head back. The beauty of it here is there's a toilet. So if you need a toilet, you can go to the toilet over there. The toilet is here.
song in it when it goes the other way.
Yeah.
It'll just go back the other way in a minute.
Yeah. Choosing our own pool. We went for a swim. There.
What a swimmer, you're swimming in, isn't it? That'll be help fun going in there.
No. Hello people, we are in aquarium. We've had checked out, there's a couple of places we can go for a swim tomorrow. One of them is right there. There's quite a few around. I think I got bitten by a mosquito. We just stopped by in the lookout. Glenn and I was just talking about how the rocks formed over time. It's very interesting. Like this one's here. Okay, so we have arrived in Yallingup waterfalls. Not much water this time of the year because it's summer here in Australia. The best time to come here is about spring or winter. It's a hard work coming down here. You finally see it. And there's a lot of tadpoles, thank God. Look at the tadpoles. Don't know if you can see it. One, two. Yeah? Okay. What sort of fish would be living here? Oh wow, they're quite big tadpoles. A what? Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Is it a fish? Oh, but where? I can't see it. Oh, okay.
Like a nice looking fish.
Oh, okay.
It's hiding in that little bit of a clear spot there.
Oh, yeah, I can see one.
There's some little ones.
I can see one.
This one was about this big.
Yeah, this one I can see that close to the rock. This one there.
That little clear.
Yeah, close to where you're sitting.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, there's one there, is it?
Yeah.
No, that's a frog. That's a tadpole with legs.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah, that's a tadpole with legs.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, very nice. Natural eco.
Yeah. Going back up. Now, it was so hard. It was so hard getting down. So we'll see what it's like to go up because everything you step on is pretty loose. Here we go. Looking at the video, it doesn't look like it's steep, but really is very steep. Okay, getting up, getting up. I'm actually crawling rather than walking. Okay, hang on. Top of the waterfalls. And we actually got down there, that road over here. And then my other half has left me. But that's okay. I can manage. It's a bit windy. There's the ocean over there. And I can see him walking along. The footpath is a little bit hard to walk on. It looks nice and, well, it's nice and flat here, but it's sand. So every time you step on it, your feet seems to sink. So you can't have a strong grip on the ground. But have a look out here, guys. It's so interesting how the sand here side here is red, and yet that side over there is white sand. Okay, I think we're halfway through. We're going back to the car now. That's the ocean with big waves. This is where the beach is. Went for a walk on the beach. It's a nice beach to go for a swim as well. This one's here. It's a footpath along the way. I'm guessing that they're still in the process of putting this up. They're planting some trees. Shrubs actually, not trees. Shrubs. So you know what that one does? It holds the dirt together. So that if there's a lot of these shrubs here, the dirt's not gonna wash away. Just like what I said, the dirt here are sandy, very sandy. So that's a footpath all the way there. So, rail bridge coming. Ah, look at that. I reckon there'd be a place there where you can have a swim as well, rock pools and stuff. Like we were before. It's a good view from here, isn't it? Look at that view. $1 million view. This is my favorite spot for a rock pool. There's quite a few. This is my favorite one.
Yeah.